Cast.
Well, right around daybreak, a rare sighting of a morning rainbow. We usually don't see the rainbow in the morning, but the sun's rising in the east, the rain's moving in from the west, and you get the refraction of light and the moisture, and there's the rainbow. Jeff Copeland captured that shot from his vantage point in Greene County. And of course, we had some fog this morning. Larry Clater captured this shot over here on Afton Mountain, or Route 250 and I-64, but kind of shrouded in the clouds and the fog from this morning. We've been left with a lot of cloudiness. Those clouds are going to try to thin out here later tonight. 55 is our current reading, only made it up to a high of 57 today, and we had just shy of 2/10 of an inch of rainfall from this morning at the airport. 53 with some broken cloud cover in the Shenandoah Valley, and there will likely be some patchy fog for a while here tonight. 52 in Madison, 54 currently in Orange, 54 in Palmyra, 52 currently in Waynesboro, and 52 in Harrisonburg. Temperatures were a little warmer south of the James River today, and basically we've been in the shadow of a warm front. That warm front will be passing through overnight. It did bring earlier in the day that little batch of showers that moved across the region, and then we were kind of left with a lot of cloud cover. Temperatures tonight actually rising, so we do expect temperatures by morning for many of us already in the low and mid 60s. So that's our launching point for highs tomorrow that will be wildly warm. It'll feel like late May. We're really jumping the calendar here. We're going for a forecast high tomorrow of 81 degrees. The record at the airport was only set back a year ago, and that was 78. And it looks like many locations would pretty much plus or minus 80 degrees. So this is late May weather tomorrow. Again, you see lots of 80, 82, 81 degree temperatures here east of the Blue Ridge, pretty darn close in the valley, upper 70s. And those winds tomorrow will generally be westerly by afternoon, some gust over 20. And you combine that with the warmth, and of course we already know that trees are really starting to come out. Not good news, but there's your pollen level, about moderate level for tomorrow, and we'll have the wind to contend with as well. So we have a warm front that's draped off to our south and west. It'll be approaching overnight. In advance of it, we had those showers this morning, but this is the real storm out across Missouri, lifting up into the Great Lakes. You run into the heavy snow across Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, and then there's that messy mix in between, and then heavy rain. And earlier, there was even a tornado watch across portions of Illinois. That snow continues all the way back to the west, and when you look at all the winter storm warnings, even some blizzard warnings, really the winter alert stretch from the west coast to New England. And while this storm system will be passing off to our west, north and west, will be left on the milder side of things. But look at some of that bitterly cold air across the northern plain states with the snow. So here we are in the morning. We're already in the 60s, and then we warm really fast, upper 70s, low 80s, feeling like late May. And then a weak cool front will come through by Friday morning. We'll start in the 50s and 60s. We'll kind of hang out at those levels during the day, about 20 degrees cooler than Thursday. And again, that cool front settles to our south by early Saturday. A next system will approach. Right now, it looks primarily a chilly rain, but there could be a little mix, especially at the onset. We'll see how quickly that moves in here on Saturday. Temperatures here tonight then rising under variably cloudy skies into the 60s. Tomorrow afternoon, plus or minus 80 degrees. So feeling like late spring, and it's only late February, really jumping the calendar. Cooling temperatures here on Friday, and then a chilly rain shower, some mix in here on Saturday. Sunday right now, temperatures back in the 60s with a good amount of sunshine.
Eric, thank you.
Variety, we've got it.
Yes, we do.
We
as
sure
always.
do. Thank you so much. We'll be